आप लोग जब घर से निकलते हो, what is like one object you always carry with you? Phone, sorry? Headphones, bike, chashma, what else? Wallet, watch, sorry? Face mask, what else? Money, sorry? Keys, okay? What else? What else? What else do you carry? Just curious, ऐसा कोई सही आंसर नहीं है. Sorry, bag, watch, pen, हाँ? Water bottle, cap. Let's pick something जो सबके लिए common है. Wallet या purse, everyone almost carries, right? So what we are going to do is, you are going to draw something and you're going to write something. Goal of what we are trying to achieve here is, you're going to get the chance to redesign the very concept of a wallet or a purse. So what I'm saying is, अगर मैंने आपको infinite resources दिया, infinite पैसा, infinite time, infinite manpower, जो चाहिए आपको लाइफ में, पूरा दुनिया आपके लिए काम करेगा, सब है आपके पास, and you had the opportunity of redesigning the very concept of a wallet or purse, what would that be? आपको वो ड्राइंग बनाना है एंड आपको फीचर्स लिखने हैं उसके कि इसका फीचर्स क्या क्या है आपका ड्रीम वॉलेट या पर्स का. नाउ अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स टू कीप इन माइंड. सबसे पहली बात, योर ड्रीम वॉलेट, व्हाटएवर इट इज यू रीडिजाइन, हैज टू बी अ फिजिकल वॉलेट या पर्स. You have complete freedom and creativity, which means what you design can also be in the domain of science fiction and fantasy, वो भी चलेगा. If you think that आपका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वॉलेट पॉकेट में लेके घूमते हैं, वॉलेट शुड बी अ ड्रोन दैट फॉलोज मी एवरीवेयर, you can make it. If you think that your wallet should be a portal where you jump inside so you can come out in the bank, take money and then jump back and come out here, वो भी चलेगा. You can literally do anything you want. If the technology doesn't exist, even if you are breaking the laws of physics, वो भी allowed है. But the point is to make your dream version of a wallet which completely redesigns the concept of a wallet or a purse from scratch. आपके लिए बनाना है, खुद के लिए बनाना. Flip your drawing around and show it to everyone. Komal, talk about what are the features that you have in your wallet and why, and what is it? What is the concept?
Yeah, so I'll go step by step. The first thing is, most of the female dresses or outfits don't have pockets. So my wallet will be of a sort where it will stick to your body inside your clothes so that you don't need pockets. Then, number two, no one else other than you can remove money from your wallet. So for that, it has password and Face ID.
Okay.
Then you don't have to go to ATM. Just enter the number or the amount of cash you want and it'll just get added to your wallet. There's one place in your pocket where you put your money and it gets double.
Okay, what else?
And one more thing, we've seen like Europe में क्या करते हैं, you just toss coins into the well and you get good luck, or it's a sign of good luck, right? So you just put some coins into that pocket and you'll have good luck. Last feature is that तुम्हारे सारे monthly expenses तुम्हारा wallet track करेगा and it will give you a receipt kind of thing कितना
Okay.
तुमने spend किया है.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah,
That's it. You like it? Good stuff. Good stuff. Most of you, in spite of having infinite resources, you actually stuck to the wallet that you have now and made thoda sa improvement to it, right? That also must have happened with you guys. Nothing is a coincidence in this workshop, okay? There's a reason why you did everything. All the dots will connect. This is part one of a 3-part exercise, okay? For the next 5 minutes, you're going to work in pairs, right? Which means you're going to work with a partner. Your partner cannot be from your college or from your team. Find any place, sit down with your partner, notebook and pen in hand. Your partner should be someone you're meeting for the first time here. I want you to write down headings on 3 pages of your notebook. Individually लिखना, मैं बताता हूं, ठीक है क्या है. पहला पेज का ऊपर हेडिंग लिखो गोल्स, GOALS, गोल्स. दूसरा पेज के ऊपर हेडिंग लिखो डिजायर्स, DESIRES, डिजायर्स. गोल्स फिर डिजायर्स. तीसरा पेज के ऊपर हेडिंग लिखो insights, INSIGHTS, insights. Now here is what we're going to do. I'm going to assign each of you a letter. वो याद रखना. So the way we're going to do it is, if you are sitting on the left side of your partner, then you are A and your partner is B. We're going to work in sprints, but आपका एक specific task रहेगा अभी, ठीक है? तो होगा ये, we're going to take a 3-minute sprint where A is going to ask questions to B. B जवाब देगा, A notes लेगा अपना पहला पेज में जिसका हेडिंग है, ठीक है? आप नोट्स लोगे. When I say switch after 3 minutes, B will ask questions to A will give answers, and B will take notes in your first page. If you are the one answering questions, आप उतना ही जवाब देना जितना सामने वाला पूछ रहा है. ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन मत देना, कम भी इंफॉर्मेशन मत देना, which means अगर आप सवाल पूछ रहे हो, it is your job to ask the right questions if you want to get high quality answers. The objective of this first sprint is for you to get to know what does your partner want in their dream wallets and why. ठीक है? Now, if you are the one answering questions, you can completely change your requirements. You don't have to say what you designed earlier. You can come up with new stuff right now. That's completely okay as well. Your job is to find out what does your partner want in their dream wallet. जितना details में आप जान सको, क्या चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए, ठीक है? So only wallet related questions. Alright, पहला 3 मिनट A to B, let's go. Any reflections you have from this exercise? How did that feel? काफी अलग है, सही बात है, बहुत अलग tastes in what you want. I have an interesting question to ask. If you were A, did you feel कि B आपसे सीख के आपसे ज्यादा अच्छा सवाल पूछ रहा है क्योंकि उसको समझ में आ गया कि कैसे पूछना है? Did you feel that? Fair. What else? Any other observations? ठीक है. Perfect. So you have your first page filled out. Goals आपने लिख लिया है ना? अभी हम ये sprint वापस करेंगे, but अलग objective है हमारा इस बार. Same चीज होएगा A to B पहले. A asks question, B takes notes. B answers, A takes notes, and then switch. B will ask, A will answer, B will take notes. Same rules. लेकिन इस बार सवाल कुछ और होंगे, ठीक है? The objective of this sprint is for you to get to know your partner as a human being, right? So your goal is to get to know them as a human being. Who are they? What's their story? Likes, dislikes, whatever you want to know. Get to know your partner as a human being to the best of your ability. ठीक है? Now, one addition to the rule is, आप सवाल कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Of course, be respectful. If you're the one answering, you can choose not to answer a question if it is too personal. You can choose not to answer it. ठीक है? But if you're the one asking the question, you can ask whatever you want. ठीक है? But if you're the one answering it, you can choose not to answer it if you feel it is too personal. ठीक है? Alright, पहला sprint A to B. Time starts now. Let's go. Switch B to A. Got to know your partner as a human being, a new person that you met here. Perfect. You wrote down your notes on your second page. ठीक है, सही. In case you're wondering why is the second page titled Desires, we'll talk about it. I'll let you know. Don't worry. Nothing is a coincidence. I'll explain everything. ठीक है. Any observations or reflections from this sprint? How was the experience for you all? You both are completely different human beings. How many of you found partners very similar? Can you raise your hand? Similar, ekdam same. Sahi baat. How many of you and the rest of you very different from your partner? We still have one more page to go, right? लेकिन last page fill करने से पहले there's a twist in the story. Here is what is going to happen now. Break up with your partners. ठीक है? For the next 3 minutes, what I want you to do is sit as far away from your partners as possible. आपकी पार्टनर का शक्ल भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए, ठीक है? शैडो भी अगर गिरा तो उठ जाओ वहां से. Third page is going to be an individual activity. What I want you to do is, on the basis of the last 2 sprints where you got the chance to have a conversation with your partner, I want you to write down your personal observations, conclusions, insights about your partner as a human being या wallet या जो भी आपके personal notes है ये, your own conclusions, observations about your partner. Your partner will never find out what you've written, so it's confidential. 3 minutes, let's go. The 3 pages that you all just filled out, it is going to be combined with something that we are learning and you're going to put it to use. ठीक है? ये use में आएगा. So keep it safe.